Hello everyone! In this video, discover how to use the delta L sensor to measure a deflocculation. Start by turning on the sensor, remove the battery cover, take the battery out of its packaging, then insert it into the designated compartment. Then, put the cover back on. Once on site, use the template to mark your reference points 10 cm and 4 cm on either side of the crack. Next, drill at the marked points with a 10 mm bit to a depth of about 6 cm. Insert the screw and anchor assembly into the JC1 gauges, then do the same for the gauges. JC2. Using a Phillips screwdriver and a hammer, gradually drive in the screws by tapping them until you achieve a stable and firmly secured attachment to the support. Before each measurement, remember to calibrate the sensor according to the appropriate calibration procedure. Then, turn on the tool and place the delta L2 on the JC2 gauge by rotating it, until you hear a click, making sure to keep it as close to the wall as possible. Position the Baginox housings on the JC1 gauge, then align the dome of the delta L2 under the delta L tool. The central body of the delta L2 must rest freely without being touched. Place your thumb and index finger on the two smooth balls around the digital display, and the index finger of your other hand on the grooved ball parallel to the wall. Start a slight back and forth pivoting motion to properly wedge the tool against the metal rings. Stabilize the pressure, then note the value displayed. The first measurement will serve as a reference. The following measurements will allow you to precisely track the evolution of the crack's opening over time. Great job on your mission.